So guys, I went to Cosford Air Show. If you haven't seen that video, you can go and watch that. But basically, there was like an army surplus place, and I'm sure there's many places online you could probably find what I'm going to show you next. So the essence of this was just to have something to take out for the day, like a day thing. I don't need a lot of kit with me. It's just something just for a bit of a coffee, a bit of a sit down. So I'm out here with Pagan Outdoors, and he's going to go through it with us. So we're just going to show you what I've got inside. I don't know who Ashby is, but that's who it was. It's obviously second hand. And what would you class it as? Would you say it's a respiratory kit, isn't it, really?
Respirator bag.
Yeah, respirator bag. So this was a £5, and the idea that I'm going to use it for is just literally, if I go throughout a day session, just for a little bit of walk round, I've got my bag in there, and I've got my alcohol in a bit, my coffee kit, so that's how I keep the coffee kit in there. And all this is all packing into this little bag just for one day. And then I've got my alcohol stove in that. And I don't know if anybody's could see me with this as well. That's my wild, sorry, oh God, it was Wild Camping International mug, and that's good. And then my foraging thing, so I can go foraging when I go out there. And you look, there's plenty of space in there. 2 little tabs there to carry stuff. So I think this is designed, it's designed really for the army, well, the respiratory kit, isn't it, for gas masks and stuff like that.
It says a field pack.
It's a field pack, but
I think
that's what it's for, but we may be wrong. Got a new cutlery set. Well, I got that recently, just so that's in there. So this is all packing into one bag, and a gas stove stand. But all these pockets and the front bit comes out with more space, look.
Use it as a little expanding.
Yeah, an expanding area.
Pouch.
So for a £5, I think this is a bargain. And then some wet wipes. And then I've got all my, I was looking for that earlier on actually. I've got my bag, a little bag for putting my phone and stuff in. Fire steel. Pocket bellows. And all that is packed into that one bag. And for a £5, see, but you don't have to spend a lot of money, do you, really? And army surplus stores, fantastic. Pretty much brand new. I mean, obviously, it is second hand. It's got somebody's name on, which I'll probably just put a marker pen or something over that eventually. But yeah, from an Army and Navy. But if anybody's seen this kit that's just packing into this bag, so I got my coffee kit. So in there we've got all kinds of stuff in there that I take out with me regularly. The coffees, teas, wet wipes. Well, they're not wet wipes, alcohol wipes, sorry.
And warmers.
Yeah. And there's my foraging bag, which you've just seen. So this is the Wild Camping International Cup, is what I meant to say. So you might have seen this on loads of videos, but if you haven't, I'll show you that again. There's loads of these sort of ones you can get online, but this one served me really well. It's a really cracking piece of kit. And then my meth stove's in there. You've seen that probably before, no doubt. And this bag is the one that's got I used to have my DD tarp in, but I'm now using, instead of water, one of the waterproof roll-up bags, what they call that. Dry bags, that's what I meant to say. And so that's basically it. But all that kit is fitting into a £5 bag. You can't really go wrong, can you? Can't go wrong with that. A little pen knife in there as well. So The point being is, like we just said, you don't have to spend a lot to get a lot of things in. Just for a day, just taking that out. I'll probably carry a bag of beers and that out, or just sit and fish and job done. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just give you some ideas, hopefully, and hopefully that will serve somebody well. Just a little idea of army surplus, and what you can find on these stores is amazing.